My name is Nolene Kaysen from Interiors by Kaysen. Your kitchen is probably your largest investment in your home, and to do it correctly and have it work within the rest of your home with the materials that you select is really imperative. Trends we're seeing on bench tops today are smaller, thinner bench tops, and the straight edge is really clean look. You could also use timber. As far as finishes for cabinetry goes, laminate is really the most versatile. You can select from handles to what we call sharp thin finish where there is no handles, gives you a very simplistic look. Storage in your kitchen is imperative that you are maximising on every little piece that there is. A larger kitchen with a larger space can be a bit of an overkill, you're doing a lot of walking. Using drawers instead of cupboards in the kitchen today is really the way to go. There's a lot of different sinks and tapware available today, and we're seeing black sinks. We're all familiar with our stainless steel sinks. You can have sinks that are moulded from your bench tops. Trends for colours of kitchens today, neutrals and timber is becoming a real feature. We're also seeing where you break up the colours in your cabinetry from the top cupboards are in one colour, and then going down to the cupboards underneath your bench top are in a dark. Lighting within your kitchen is really important, that you need to have good light where you're working, and often under bench space, under cupboards on the top. To have what we call task lighting is really important. It can light up that space and make it a lot easier to work with. You can have decorative lighting, which pendants are often seen today above your island bench. LED downlights flush with the ceiling are really very on trend. So for more kitchen inspirations, go to highpages.com.au.